Welcome back, guys. This video I'll be showing how to make money from arbitrage. Most of you don't know about arbitrage. Is buying cryptocurrency in small value and selling it at the high level. You can make at least 10,000 naira in a day from dollar arbitrage. But in this site, it is dollar arbitrage, but you can also withdraw in naira. Let's get started. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, like and comment about this video. For all these start making money from this, give this video a thumb up and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. First thing you're going to register. Put your email, the first paragraph there. The second one, you put your phone number. The third one, you put your password, and the last one, you put your password in. We'll give you a verification code through your email. Make sure your email is entered. So that's what you do. Register. After you're done with registration, you log into your account. You log into your account here. Yes, you fill your. Make sure you don't forget your password. You log into your account. Login succeeded. Okay. Hey, yes, you're welcome. Every new members you'll be giving $10 bonus just to refer people. That's how it works there. Okay. The first thing you're going to do is that you recharge first. You come to recharge. Before you do that, you come here and you see my not there. Okay, you go back. The first thing you're going to do is that you go to this mine. Yeah, you can also download the app from Play Store. You can also join the Telegram group. I'll put it in the description in this video so that you can join the Telegram group. Yeah, you are going to. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is recharge. You click on this recharge button. If you are the first one that has not used this app before, you are going to put your withdrawal, going to your recharge password. It will be sent to your Gmail so that you don't forget it. Okay, now to recharge. You want to recharge, you come to this recharge. The minimum to recharge is 12 USDT. Okay, to recharge you can just copy the account given to you here. Make sure you see here. Make sure you only send USDT sent to you. Send USDT or TRS20 to this account only. Don't send any other cryptocurrency unless you lose your money. Yeah. So now to do the tax, it's very simple here. You come to this tax center. Okay. Come to this tax center here. In every 24 hours you'll be earning free. Assuming you are a free member, just come here. New members has only one, but in this one there's no anything there. You have to purchase and recharge. The minimum to recharge is $12, right? $12, right? Assuming you are already recharged, you come here, put it here, $12, and you put it and click on purchase to purchase automatically. You'll be getting 1% of your investment here. And the second one, the one of VIP2, the VIP1 is only for new users, but new users cannot use it again because the time has already passed. It is 12 noon, but now I'm recording the video is around 1:39 now. It's already gone. Okay, you have to make sure the time you want to do the tax is important. The tax always end around 12 noon. Make sure you have done your tax in the morning so that it will be very easy for you. The second one for VIP2 or VIP1, you come here, you see daily tax is only one time for VIP1 too. click on the tax there. The minimum to is there is $12. Can recharge $12. But for VIP2, you'll be earning 1.25 profit for every of your investment. Yeah. And you can also withdraw your interest anytime. You can also refer your friend, copy your referral link, copy successfully. Just do there. Yeah, that is it. To withdraw is very, very simple. You can withdraw to your USDT or your Naira account. Just click on this withdraw here. See the withdraw button here. Click on it to bring it to the space. Put your account there. Your bank you are using, Access, Nigeria banks are there. Just put everything there. It's very easy there. Yes. And the balance to show, but here in this account, no, nothing is there. It is 0. So convert yourself to Naira so that you can withdraw your profit there. But basically, arbitrage is buying in small cryptocurrency and selling at the high cryptocurrency. Most of you are used to Binance. So to have know this, you are used to Binance. So to have know this, you can join their Telegram group to get more updates about this. And what this update is that any update I drop here, I'm not the owner of the site or promoting. I'm just promoting it just so you guys to know the site. That's all it for me here. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.